This style of stew is practically my favorite type of stew. Like the taste of crayfish and onion inside your stew is like heaven. Like this is my mashed onions and crayfish. I didn't blend it. I used my mortar. If you have enough onions, you should use enough onions or crayfish, no matter the quantity of stew you're making. I just use this little because it's what I have now. Now leftover stew I cooked. This is leftovers over stew. I used 3 tin tomatoes. So the onion and crayfish for me is basically just my fresh tomatoes. With this stew, after preparing it, it's going to look like it's made with fresh tomatoes. So that's why I love this stew, and the taste and the smell, like it's always very good. It's always on point. So I add my mashed crayfish and onions, add my tin tomatoes, let it boil, like let it boil for a long time. And because this is, I don't know, some people call it hot plate, but I prefer to call it electric gas. It's very slow when you are cooking with it, so you basically have to be patient when cooking with this. I call it electric gas. I know how you call it, I'm not gonna correct me when cooking with this. So I added my pepper. I wanted to add one, but since it's stew, I decided to put that too. Not so I be Igbo person, we not chop pepper, but this was necessary. Every single time I'm cooking with this electric gas, I am always praying, abeg o, make dem not take light o, make dem not take make dem not take light o. That's why I love having gas in my gas in case NEPA disappoint person wey burn them. I'm gradually adding water to my stew, stir to mix cover everything, and my stew is finally coming together. Like looking at this stew, you need to be told that there is no tin tomatoes. Now wetin make that there is no fresh tomatoes in this stew? I just make I show you that one na for effect. I'm adding one cube of I want to say 1 cube of sugar. For is that waiting? I'm adding 1 cube of Maggi, and I'm adding salt, and I added a little bit more. After the last pinch, I was scared that I think maybe the salt is too much. I added too much salt, but the stew was okay. It was on point. And usually, I'm not really very scared when I add too much salt in my stew, because now rice I dey take time. I will just reduce salt from my rice and it would still go well. But because abeg o, not be half bag of salt, sachets of salt I dey pour inside, so you can still eat it like that. This is the fish I have from my last meal, and I added it, and yeah, just allow the stew to boil to the consistency that you want, how thick you want it to be. This is how I'm leaving my, and our rice is ready. I use my other gas. Thank you.